You know where it goes. No, you do it. Put it where it goes. Where's Y go?
Y.
Where's it go?
Y. Y.
Come here. Good job. S. Stop. Stop crying. Put it in there. Just gotta turn it around. There you go. Perfect. A. Yep. In. Is that the right in? We got one more in. Oh, good job. No, you put it in. No, put it in. Put it in the workout. Where's it go?
Go.
Where's it go?
Go.
Does it go in there? There. Oh, good job.
Oh.
It's the last one. Ashlyn. Good job.